All right, hey there, welcome back to this next episode. So, this method, we can start in several ways. Here's what I'm going to do. So, we're on Amazon. You can choose to either start this way and find a product, which is what you should be coming from. You should have just watched that. Or, my preferred method is the web app. Again, you'll see me using the web app more times than not to find what I call a mother idea, meaning I'm not going to sell that product, but I'm going to use that product to find similar products. Let's do that. So we'll go and we'll pick our usual categories here. And now you could pick many more than this. You could do sports and outdoors. Just because I'm not selecting them doesn't mean they're not good. I just have a couple like favorites. So we could go 18 to 30. We'll change it up a little bit. Again, you guys know how to use this now. I've explained how to use this. So feel free. Don't just put in exactly what I put in. Use your own judgment. Get creative and innovate with this tool. This whole course should just be called Innovation within Amazon product research, because really that's what we're doing. Nothing here is like information that doesn't exist already. Some of these methods I've tweaked myself, I've created myself, but essentially, if I wasn't making this, you could still figure out how to do this. That's the beauty of being on the internet. You could go search how to find a product, and you'll definitely be able to figure out how to find one. But what I can bring to the table is I could show you a new way of thinking. I could train your mindset, which really you have to train your mindset. But just the fact that you're in this course right now shows me that you're the kind of person that's willing to invest in themselves. If you donated to this, you didn't think of that as a cost or a loss. You looked at that as an investment. You're the kind of person that will buy the courses, invest in inventory, take the chances with businesses. You're just like I am. Okay, there's a lot of people out there who'd rather just be a slave to society. And now that sounds a little hippy-dippy, but really a lot of people are catching on to this idea that we want more freedom. The whole work from home thing is huge. Not just work from home, work from anywhere. Be able to create financial freedom within your life just by owning a lucrative business. That's what we're doing. We're going to innovate on what's already being done, go at it, work harder than everyone else, and innovate more than everyone else. So minimum sales, we'll go ahead and throw 250 in there. We're waiting for the spinning wheel. So how's your day going? Hopefully you're having a good day. What time of day is it where you are? Occasionally this will happen. Yesterday I had to shut down my computer. That was annoying. I was in the middle of doing something. That ever happened to you? That's not fun. Yeah, this is, I don't know what I can do really. I don't even know if this is still recording. Maybe This is a raw lesson, man. This is what I live with, really. When I'm thinking in my head, you're just basically in my head right now. I'm going to leave all this in there. This is, you guys know me. So we'll do 175 reviews. This doesn't have to be anything specific. Life lesson: never move next to a fire station. I didn't even know that was there, but I will be moving next year. We're just going to find an idea. Now let's do dry ice for shipping food. Huh. Is that even legal? I didn't think you could sell dry ice on the internet. On Amazon, at least. All right, cool. I guess that's an interesting product. Now we could actually see if this is a good product, but let's focus on this method specifically. So what we're doing is, again, we're going to kind of try and use this product to find similar products. Now before we do that, let's actually just see if this is a good product. So we could do we'll open up a new tab so we don't lose our spot. That was a little bit of a long keyword, but I didn't know what else to call this right now. So we could narrow that down as we see more. Let's just check out how that's doing. Again, I don't know if that's what most people will type in. And we could be skewing the results here a little bit. That one was doing 25,000. That's awesome. Nice packs. Huh, I get it. That's emergency food. That's a totally different thing. Yeah, these are actually doing pretty good. So this might be, a product within itself right here. But let's go on to the method. So what are we talking about, Paul? What are you doing? So what you're going to do is you're going to actually click on to any one product from the web app, or any product. You could have just thought of something. Rustic chair. I don't know, guys. I don't know. If you can find a product idea, that's all you need to start this method. That's like the key to starting this product research method. What you're going to do from there is you're going to scroll down to sponsored products related to this item. Now, these are essentially, people are bidding on this ASIN, and they're trying to sell things that are similar to this product, or things that Amazon is recommending based on what's frequently bought together with this product. So, for instance, we have the main product that we clicked on was this dry ice pack. Now we could, if you go under the reviews, there's some more in here. So we have ice sheets, and you can actually just keep clicking through here and finding things. So we have this ice blanket here. We'll click on that, and you know what's going to happen. We're actually going to be able to scroll down. We're going to get a new list here. So now we come over to a hot and cold therapy gel pack. And now, what do you think we're going to do? We're going to see if, so I'm speeding this up because we don't need to see if every one of these are good. That's just kind of a waste of time. And I'm really just trying to show you the strategy. We don't need to analyze every single product, but every time you click on a product, the related products that are going to show up are going to be different than the original one. So we went from dry ice packs to a gel hot and cold pack for your back. And now, what is that? An ice pack for kids with a dog on it. Okay, and it's hands-free. Now when we come down, we're gonna have a different set of products here. So we went from Boo Boo ice packs. Okay, here we go. So we went from dry ice sheets all the way to this product, which is entirely different. Now it's within the same niche, but it is different. Now we have 4 stars and above, similar to this product. So what is that? So see how things start getting kind of strange. And that's what we want. We want niche products. We want weird products. Hot and cold gel pack frog. Okay. And then what do you think we're going to do? We're going to scroll down. Okay, my migraine pack. Cool. Patented, so that's not going to work, but we could get more ideas from it. So we'll come down here, click here. Okay, award-winning tension relief. This is the method, guys. This one I have fun with. And again, I'll be stopping, every time I find a product. I'm not just going to keep clicking on the next one, but that was kind of to exaggerate the process. What we did is we started with one product, but we got to a totally different product. This, couldn't be more different. We got to this product from dry ice sheets by using that little sponsored products. Every time you click onto it, you're going to get a slightly different row. And by the end of it, you'll be in a totally different market. So you're able to find ideas that most people don't find. And that's this method, guys. So that's the rabbit hole method. Okay, there must be like the whole city's on fire or something. I'm going to go. I'll see you in the next lesson.